Hello children, today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 2, whole numbers. So in this chapter we will see some type of numbers. So first set of numbers is counting numbers. Counting numbers means the numbers which you will use for counting. Some chocolates are given to you. How will you count? You will start from the first chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So such numbers are called counting numbers. So counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. It won't stop. It will go on like that. 100, 101, 200, like that. This set has one more name, that is natural numbers. We will call it as natural numbers. Smallest natural number. From this set we will understand what is the smallest natural number. It is 1. Smallest natural number is 1. Okay. Now comes the next set of numbers, that is whole numbers. Whole numbers means along with the counting numbers we will add the number 0. So whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It also won't stop. It will go on like that. 100, 1 lakh, like that it will go on. Smallest whole number from the set you can understand. What is the smallest whole number? It is 0. So smallest whole number is 0. Now one small point, that is all natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. We are taking the number 1. We know 1 is a natural number and it is also a whole number. 2 is a natural number, it is a whole number. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural number. Which is a whole number, which is not a natural number? 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number. Okay. Successor. A new word, successor. Successor is given any natural number. You can add 1 to that number and get the next natural number, that is successor. We will do one example, then you will understand. We will take the number 16. 16 plus 1. What is 16 plus 1? 17. So we can say successor of 16 is 17. Successor of 53. What is successor of 53? It is 54. So the next number, whatever number is coming the next, is called as successor. What will be the successor of 100? It is 101. It will go on like that. Understood? Successor. Now comes the next word, that is predecessor. Predecessor means that opposite of successor, the number which is before. Example, 16 minus 1 is 15. So we can say that predecessor of 16 is 15. Which is the number before 16? 15. Predecessor of 50. What's the number before 50? 49. So predecessor is 49. Predecessor of 100 is 99. So that's what predecessor. Now comes number line. There may be a new word for you, number line. Nothing is there. It is a line. Number line is a line. So we have one line here. Number line it is. So on that line some numbers will be marked. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go on like that. It won't stop. After 5, what will be the next number? 6, 7, 8. Like that it will go on. If I continue, it will go on like that. So this is called the number line. So number line is a line on which numbers are marked. So whole numbers. Which are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3. So on this number line, we have marked the whole numbers. Now one thing we have to remember is this distance between 0 and 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, this distance, that will be constant. This is 1 centimeter, this is also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, it will go on like that. So that is number line. Okay. Now next we will do exercise 2.1 from our reader. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. Next 3 natural numbers. So what will be the next number after 10,999? Just add 1. You will get the answer. What is the next number after 1? 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 1? 3. It will go on like that, right? So what is the next number after 10,999? Just add 1. So we'll get the answer 11,000. After 11,000, what's the answer? 11,001. Then comes 11,002. 2. So the next three natural numbers after 10,999 are 11,000, 11,001, 11,002, etc. Okay. Next question. Write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Before. So before means what you have to do? You have to separate. Before 9, what is the number? 8. How are you getting 8? 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Right. So same way, the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. 10,001 minus 1. What's the answer? 10,000. Before 10,000, 9,999. Before 9,999, it is 9,998. You can directly write the answer, no problem. Without subtracting also, you can directly write the answer. Therefore, the three whole numbers occurring before 10,001 are 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998. Which is the smallest whole number? We discussed it before, right? 0 is the answer. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Between 32 and 53. So after 32 was the number 33, 34, 35. It will go on like that. 53 is the last number. So before 53, what is the number? 52. So 33 and 52. If you are counting all the numbers, you will get it as 20 whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. Okay. Write the successor. So some numbers are given here. You have to find the successor. We'll see the first one. 24,40,701. I told you successor means the number after this number. Just add. So it will be 702. 24,40,702. Now comes the next question. Same way, just add the number, you will get the successor. All these questions you have to add the numbers. Okay. Now next, write the predecessor of. Here also 4 numbers are given. You have to find the predecessor. As we discussed before, predecessor means the number which occurs just before the number. So what is the number before 94? 94 minus 1, 93. So predecessor of 94 is 93. 10,000, it is 9,999. Like that, you have to do it. So you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Now, in each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write them with the appropriate sign, greater than or less than. We'll see the first question. 530 and 503. You know that 530 is the biggest number, 503 is the smallest number. So we'll write like this. We'll use the greater than sign. Therefore, 503 is on the left of 530. Same way, 98,765. Which is the biggest number? 98,765 is the biggest number. So you have the greater sign. Therefore, 56,789 is on the left of 98,765. Same way you have to do C and D. Okay. So how that 503? For that we have a line. So 503 is here. 530 is here. So which is a smaller number? This is a smaller number. So this is on the left. So just to know. Okay. Now exercise 2.1, 8th question, that is true and which are false. So which all statements are true and which all statements are false. We will see the first question. 0 is the smallest natural number. I told you before, which is the smallest natural number? 1 is the smallest natural number. So that statement is false. So we have that statement is false. 400 is the predecessor of 399. Predecessor. So what is the predecessor? 398 is the predecessor of 399. So that statement is also false. What is the next one? 0 is the smallest whole number. We told before that, right? What is the smallest whole number? 0 is the smallest whole number. So that is true. 600 is the successor of 599. 600 is the successor of 599. True or false? Yes, it is true. 600 is the successor, right? After 599, what's the next number? 600. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. I told in the beginning itself, all natural numbers are whole numbers. So the statement is true. We'll go on to the next. All whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. So, is it true? False. Why is it false? Because I told you in the beginning, 0 is not a natural number. So, we cannot say that all whole numbers are natural numbers. Predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. We'll see one example. What is predecessor of 10? You know, 10 is a 2-digit number, right? What is it? This is a single-digit number. So, predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. So, that statement is false. 1 is the smallest whole number. That is false. Which is the smallest whole number? 0 is the smallest whole number. Next. Natural number 1 has no predecessor. Natural number 1 has no predecessor. That is true. Before 1, 0 is there, but 0 is not a natural number. It is a whole number. So, it is true. Whole number 1 has no predecessor. That is false. Why? 0 is a predecessor of 1, right? So, that statement is false. Next, the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. True or false? That is false. 13 is not lying between 11 and 12. Okay. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. It is true. Next, successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. We'll see an example, then you will understand. Successor of 99. What is 99? 99 is a 2-digit number. What is successor of 99? It is 100, but 100 is a 3-digit number. Okay, so that's it. So this exercise 2.1 is over.